Hey everyone, welcome back to Pannu's Quilling Point, and yes, you are at perfect point watching me Pradnya on this Art and Crafty channel. This is a special video I have made for this coming Valentine's Day. Also, this was requested by one of my subscriber long back. So I'm sorry, but I'm making this video now. So today I'll be showing you some 7 different type of hearts or heart shapes you can make by using quilling technique. So let's begin. So first type of heart is by using square shape and a semicircle. So let's begin. Take 3 red quilling strips, stick one after another and quill it. Give it a heart shape. Now, take one quilling strip and quill it. Give it a half moon shape. Here, make sure the length of square and the moon base should be equal. Make one more similarly. Stick moon shape like this at the sides of a square. So, second type of heart is inspired by Little Heart biscuit, which is made by using scrolls. So let's begin. Take 2 pink color strips, stick it one after another. Quill at one end and make a loose coil. Stick it at a desired place. Also make another scroll from another end. Stick it similarly. It should end with V shape. Stick both the scrolls like this. So third type of heart is by giving a shape to a loose coil. Take 2 white strips, stick one after another and quill it. Make a loose coil and stick the end. Now give it a teardrop shape and on other side by using a quilling needle, pinch it in between. It will form a heart shape. Fourth type of heart shape is by using 2 teardrop shapes. Take 2 strips for single teardrop shape. Stick it one after another. Quill it and give it a teardrop shape. Make another one and stick the ends to form a V shape like this. So number 5 is by using 2 rectangle shapes. Take 2 red strips and stick it one after another. Quill it and make a rectangle. Similarly, make another one. Arrange them in this fashion. So number 6. This type of heart is by using water. Take 3 pink strips and stick it one after another. By using water button, make a ring, stick the upper and lower portion by glue and keep it to dry. First, make a marquise and using a quilling needle, bend the ring till it reaches the center. This will form a beautiful heart shape. 7th type of heart is by using 2 dome shapes. Take 2 red strips, join the strips and make a tight coil. Give a regular jhumka dome shape and make a 3D type teardrop shape. Make one more and connect them like this. It will look like a 3D heart shape. So it's time to thank you friends for watching my video and giving your valuable time. So what do you feel about this quilling heart shapes video? Do let me know your views in the comment section below. Also subscribe to my channel, press the bell icon. Also if you've forgotten to like my video, please do it. We are also on Facebook and Instagram. Do follow us there to get coupon codes for products on our online store. Thank you.